What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a close look at the M2 Pro MacBook Pro. Just came out fresh out the box January 24th. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing. Now this is not going to be anything crazy, it's not going to be one of those super edited videos. It's going to be a super simple, chill, aesthetic unboxing video. I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen some of these on the internet. I just felt like doing one for today. Quickly before we get into the unboxing, I got a new camera, a new setup. Let me know what it looks like. Let me know if you guys see any difference. Let me know if the settings are pretty good. I'm still working on it. I'm trying to get the best settings out for you guys. But yeah, we're gonna be jumping into the unboxing of this M2 Pro MacBook Pro. Pretty excited. The new chip, it is pretty promising. It offers a performance boost by up to 20%. So we're gonna be taking a quick look here at the box. There's two pull tabs on the back, pretty simple. Now this is very similar and very reminiscent of the unboxing experience for pretty much all the devices now from Apple. I think it's just their new standard. We saw it with the iPhone 13 Pro, we saw it with like the iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14, and all those other devices. They pretty much come with the same setup. So here we go, here we have it. This is the new M2 Pro MacBook Pro. Now for the most part, it looks the exact same as the last one. Obviously, it is only a minor upgrade. So for a lot of people who already have the previous generation, you're not going to be seeing a huge astronomical performance boost, but you will be seeing some big differences. For example, if you're switching from just a regular M1, or if you're switching from like an Intel based computer, you're definitely going to be seeing some huge improvements here. You're going to be looking at a lot more performance and specs. But for the most part, inside the box, you obviously get the machine itself. Other than that, you're going to get a little envelope with the standard Apple stuff inside. So you're going to be getting some stickers, some instructions, and I think this time around we're getting some black stickers. I don't know, usually I think the stickers are kind of transparent, maybe a little gray, but the black stickers definitely do have a nice look to them. Obviously, we have the MagSafe. This has been introduced in the first generation of this MacBook, so way back at the end of 2021 I think, and we now have it on the brand new MacBook Airs as well, which have the M2 chip. And the return of the MagSafe is very nice. I think it's just one of those implementations that it's just awesome to have it back. Obviously you have a 67-watt charger for the MacBook. And now let's take a closer look at the MacBook itself. It comes in a super simple packaging. Obviously you just have to take the kind of this wrapper they got going on, take it off, and then you're met with the MacBook Pro inside. Now for this MacBook, I decided to pick up the classic silver colorway, as I think it's just so simple and so clean, and it's just so timeless. A lot of times when you pick up some of the new products and you pick up like a color, it's very reminiscent of that time and point. So for example, I'm just going to give you guys an example. The M2 MacBook Air has the midnight colorway. Now the midnight colorway is really nice, but it is very specific to the time frame it was released in. As a classic silver MacBook Pro, you can never go wrong. It's super timeless, and as you guys can see, the boot up time was actually really fast on this MacBook. Now the boot up time was really fast on this MacBook. It doesn't really come as a surprise, as I think for the most part you guys would already expect that. So yeah, I'm gonna pretty much set up the computer here really quickly, but that was pretty much it for this video. Gonna keep it short and simple. Wanted to unbox this for you guys and just give you a quick look at the experience. Now it's roughly the same as all the other products. I'm going to be having a video on the channel soon enough in depth on the whole M2 Pro MacBook Pro. We're going to be looking at the specs, we're going to be looking at the run times, we're going to be looking at the render times and all that stuff. So I'm going to be doing that as soon as possible, and also kind of wanted to use this opportunity to test out my new camera, Sony A7 Mark III, and I got a lens and all that stuff. So I'm going to be testing the color grading and all that stuff in the near future. Now obviously this was just one first test. Let me know what you guys think. Does it look good? Do you like it? If you do, that's great. If not, let me know what I can fix in the comment section down below. I'm not a professional when it comes to color grading, nor am I a professional when it comes to videography. But yeah, still learning. Quick unboxing experience to you guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, make sure you give a video a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.